Hey everyone, this is Osamu from Zen Ideas. I want to talk about the Profile Builder module today, and this is one of my favorite modules for the JetEngine plugin. So today I want to show you how to import preset content using JetEngine. And I want to walk you through how the user account page works and adding post and editing post via front-end form. And also, I want to talk about how to customize the post listing template on the account page. And the last one is, I'd like to show you how to add a category section on the front end form. So let's get started. All right, so first you go to JetEngine here and the module. And then two things you have to enable. So first is forms and then form builder and hit save. And the next one is go to scheme manager, and I'm going to use preset again. So you don't have to do this, but this is easier, and I can just jump start user profile with editable content. So I'm going to hit import. So let's take a quick look. So when you do that, so go to pages, it's automatically create account page here, and then also go to template, save template. So you'll see user post, edit post, and add a post. And also right here, go to form. And then so you get the new post home, edit post home form. So I'll just walk you through after. And the next one is, once again, I go back here, JetEngine, and go to scheme manager, and go to preset. Also, I'm gonna import editable user setting page for user profile. Hit import. All right, and I'll take a quick look at the template section here. Should have a edit user template here. All right, and also go to form. So there'll be a new form should be there. So edit user. And then let's take a quick look here on the user. Actually, I can go to profile here. And you see scroll down here. So you see those meta field, user meta field. So this is where you can upload a picture. So because I just imported the preset template, so it's automatically added the meta field for the user. So if you go to actually meta boxes section, should have user settings here. So there are right here, so profile picture and about me section. So this is just media and this is just text area. Now one more thing I want to check is go to profile builder here, and then so the page, so account page, so you want to select account page. So now we have account right on the pages, so you got to select that. And then so user page and single user page, I'm gonna create different tutorial for this, so I'm gonna just leave this off. And then also hide admin bar. So if you want to disable admin bar for no admin, you want to turn this off. But I like to hide actually admin bar for front-end users, so I'm gonna just leave it as it is. So once again, so restrict admin area access. So I'm gonna probably talk about in the later tutorial. So I'm gonna just skip that for now. So now you see, take a look at the account page. So account page, now it says user settings. Again, let me just explain to you throughout this tutorial how this works. Now let's take a quick peek at account page. So I'll hit view. So it looks like there's nothing in it. So let me just check. All right, so go to profile builder here. Template mode, so I'm gonna, if it's nothing selected, select rewrite and hit save. And then just go back and then refresh that page. Okay, now you see the form here. Let's go back and then let's try edit with Elementor. So you just get this message, and I think this is normal, so you won't be able to edit right into with Elementor. So just go back yeah, this sometimes confuses people, but I think hopefully this makes sense once you finish watching this tutorial. Now let's go to save template. So we got those 4 template: add post, edit post, user post, and edit user. So let's go to add post. All right, so let's take a look at with Elementor. Okay, so there's kind of sidebar here, says user settings, and here let's click. So this is edit form. So this is the pre-done, but you need to select the form here. So let's just hang on. Let me just open up a different window here. So I'm gonna just go to form, open with a new window, and I'm gonna just split the window here on the side by side. And this is okay, so I'm gonna just delete this navigator. So on the left hand side is the template for add a post, and then we have those different forms. So I'm here on the JetEngine form, so we got the 3 forms. So that's new post. It's become confused because it says add a post, it's a new post. All right, so and then you just see, I'm gonna just type new post. Okay, so let's insert that. So now it says post thumbnail, so that's going to be a featured image, and a post title and post content, right? So that's, I think that looks right. Let's go back to dashboard, and then template. Sorry, save template. And then so I did that, and then now edit post, edit with Elementor, and it's kind of same thing here. So I have edit post, and save. Okay, so let me just go back dashboard again, and then one more. Save template, and then now I got the edit user right here, edit with Elementor, and here actually this one was actually done. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is already done. It's selected, but there's no sidebar, but I think that's okay. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Let's go back to dashboard. Now then go to JetEngine and Profile Builder. And then here, so let's go to this account page. And now we can add the sub page here. So I hit the sub page. And then title. So add a new post. And then the slug, this is fine. Oh, I'm gonna just the new post. And now template, so add a post. Okay, so add that, and it say hide from menu. No, you don't need to hide from menu. And then save. Okay, so I'm gonna have another one here, add new sub page. Sorry, I'm gonna just open the template in this window here. So add a post. Now, so edit post. Edit post, and that's okay. Template, edit post. Okay, now this one you want to hide from menu. I'll explain to you later. So you don't actually need edit post on the menu bar. Okay, now we have also edit user template here, and actually this is it's pre-done. It says user settings actually, so they're using templates. So you edit user. Right, so we got the 1, 2, 3 here, and now user post. This template is a list of the user posts. Once again, so I'm going to come back later. So now I got those 3 template on the profile page here. Now, so let's take a look at account page. So let's take a quick view. Okay, so I don't see the add a new post and edit post. Let's just see if I move these things up here. See what happens. So and then hit save. I think the top one goes at the top. So if I do that, refresh. Alright, so now I have this add a new post on top, and then you can add post thumbnails and then title and the content here. So if I click user settings, which is editing user profile, like picture and then email address, name, now it's kind of hiding. This kind of actually makes sense. And if you kind of submit, so let's say if I put some, here my name here, Osamu, oops. Osamu, and then about me, if you put something and hit submit, and they should go back to the front page. Or one more. Oh, okay, looks like I have to put that info. So either way, I kind of like to have the sidebar here, same as here. Let's just go to just account page. Yeah, if I go to, yeah, I like to have sidebar up here as well. Now let's hang on. So let's change the template here. So let's go back to template. So save template here, and then edit user. So as you see, I'm gonna just open up with Elementor here. Yeah, I'm gonna just move this over here. So I don't have a sidebar here. Now, so I'm gonna open up again. So this is template, save template, and add a post. I'm gonna open up with Elementor here. Yeah, so I have this guy 20%, a 80% column, 2 columns. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this as a template. So this is gonna be my master template for profile builder. So I can just, master profile builder template. So something like that. I mean, you can name as you want. Okay, here it is. So let's close that. So right here, so I probably have to refresh this page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my template, go to my template, and I'm going to insert this master profile builder template and hit apply. Yeah, I'm going to just stretch out a little bit here. So now I have this like profile builder menu on the left hand side, and then I can just get rid of this form because this is add a new or what did I do? This add a new post form, so I can just delete that, right? And then I have this, so editing user, edit user form, so I can just bring this on the top here. Doesn't, okay. I'm gonna just copy and maybe paste right there. Okay, and I'm gonna just delete and hit update. Okay, and so let's go to account page again. So I'm gonna just, let's refresh this page. So add a new post is here, and if you hit the user settings, should be all right. So should have on the left hand side here too. So again, like to me, this is more intuitive to showing where you are. All right, so this looks good to me. Okay, so let's try posting something. So we are at add a new post, and then I'm going to choose file. Let's pick this picture here, for example. Okay, all looks good. And then post title. And I'm going to just generate dummy text here. Yeah, I'm assuming I can use all of the link and stuff. Okay, so that's good. And then just add a new post, see what happens. Okay, successfully submitted. All right, so let's take a quick look. Let's go to dashboard then. And then here, post, let's see. Oh, okay, so this is my post. And then author is me. All right, so let's take a quick view here. Okay, so my title, and then that's the text and the picture here. So it works. Now I'm gonna keep adding maybe a couple more. So I'm gonna just fast forward this section. Okay, so I added 3 or 4 more posts and then go back to, so let's say dashboard again, and then post. Yeah, so I got all of that. And I'm sure if I go to homepage, so these are all the posts posted from the front end for. So that's cool. Now let's move on. So I got, remember that I have one more template that I have to work with. So which is, this is a user post. So let's take a quick look here. So edit with Elementor. So that's a list of posts. All right, so there is no data found in this section. So this is okay. So it is a listing grid. And I don't have anything, so I gotta create a new listing item. So let's click that. And then listing source is, yes, it's a post, right? And then from post type, so which is post. So I don't have any custom post type yet. And I'm gonna just name it listing item name. So I'm gonna just say users post. And then create item, save change. Okay, save. Oh, okay, so it's already kind of generated, but looks pretty boring. This is just title. You see that dynamic field, title, so I need to change that. So let's go back to dashboard here. And then go JetEngine, I think it's listing. And then so users, oh, wait a sec. So looks like this has already created. So user post item. So yeah, so this is user's post is that I created. So let's take a look at this one. Oh, okay, so it is actually already preset, has all the feature image. So now let's go back here. So I'm gonna just scratch that. I'm gonna just delete whatever I created. Let's go back to save it template. And then so user post. So and edit with Elementor. And then this one, the user. Okay, here you go. So let's save this template. So user post. Okay, so I'm gonna just, okay, we hit update. So let's go back to dashboard here. Okay, and then go to Profile Builder, and then page. So I'm gonna add new. So I'm gonna use, let's say, my post. And then template is user post, and then save. Now then let's go to account page. Just open with a new tab. So I got the my post. Okay, so it shows here. So that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, again, so this template is also customizable. So let's go to the template. So I think this one. Yeah, so this is the template. So again, like probably let's divide in 2 windows here. Okay, so this is just on the left hand side on the picture. right? So you can just you know, make it this little bigger, and I think you can bring some excerpt too. So let's find bring a dynamic field right here, and then so excerpt, for example, and then you can look at automatically generate excerpt. Let's see. Okay, so something like that, and you should be able to control. Here's kind of custom length. I think you can just put, let's say 30. Oh, you probably have to do that. Yeah, so now we probably got 30 words here. Let's hit update here, and then refresh. Okay, so just little things. I don't like this kind of space here, so you can change that. You can probably style, go to style here, and then, or actually go to, I think, advanced. So maybe top margin, you can just remove that, something like this. And also this edit post, instead of a link, you know, you can make it as a button. So I think you go to style, and you can probably, actually you can add some icons too, like edit, something like that. And then go to style, and the gap, you can change that. And then, yeah, so make it some border here, you can add that. And then maybe paddings. Okay, so maybe increase the paddings here, probably more on the right hand side and left hand side. And then make it put border radius. I can just make it to put some radius here, and then background, I can probably add some colors here. Let's say yeah, so they have some color here, and I can perhaps change the color of text if there's white. So I don't have a white, so I'm just click color. Okay, let's update. So border color, to change that. So something like that. So it looks like a button here. All right, so hit update. Let's refresh that. Yeah, so I'm gonna just decrease that space here too, like same thing. I'm gonna just margin, it's gonna be, and hit update, and there's refresh. Okay, so it looks kind of okay. So let's test it out, see if this editing function is going to be working. So let's say I'm going to hit edit post. All right, so here I'm sure you can change the image, and then you know, you can change that to a different title, for example. And then if you want to add another paragraph, right, so you can do that here as well, like that. And then hit save. Yeah, it's successfully submitted. So let's go dashboard and then see. Oh, which one was that? Yeah, maybe just put revised here, and then hit save. Okay, so and then go to post and then refresh. So this one is revised. Oops, actually I probably do. So let's take a quick view here. Yeah, so it says revised, and add another paragraph here. Now, so next one is let's add some categories on the front end form. So let's so this is quite easy to do. So we have those categories: accounting, consulting, engineering, and software. So at this moment, there is no way of picking those categories from front end, right? Let's go to forms here. So add a new post to. So go edit. So this is a new post form. So there is a post ID. So this is a unique ID, and it's a thumb, photo, image. So that's a media file, and then title, which is text. This is post content, and then so last one is submit button. All right. So also here there are two button actions. So let's see. Here, so insert and update post. So this is new post, so insert or update post, right? So type is post and then status published. So this is where you can change status. So if you don't want your user to publish right away, so you want to, let's say, review, and then you publish, then you have to, you can choose pending to review, or I think it's a draft as well. Okay, so in this case, I'm just selecting published. And then this is just mapping. And then here too, so redirect the page. Okay, here we go. So redirect the page, and there's other options too. So in this case, just redirect the page and then redirect to static. You can do actually custom URL. And then select the page. Actually, so I'm gonna just use account here. And then hit apply change and hit update. So as I said before, so I'm gonna add category field. So add a new field. And here, so I'm gonna just move up to below the content here, I think. And then hit this edit button. And then type is, so I'm gonna use a checkbox so that it's category, so that people can select multiple categories. So the field name, I can just type category, and then label, so I'm going to use category, and then description, I don't think I need to put that, and then whether this field is required or not, so it's up to you. I'm going to just uncheck this part, and then fill option form. So it's going to be, so this is a category, so it's going to be a term. And then which taxonomy, so I think I have just a category here. So the value from meta field, so I don't have that. I don't have any custom meta for this type. This is just straightforward terms and categories. And so go down here, so field visibility, actually you can pick for all or for only for logged in users. Again, like this is account page, so people has to log in to getting the account page. So I'm usually keep it for all, but if you want to add extra layer of security, you can pick this option. So I'm gonna just use that for all in my case, and then just go ahead, hit apply change. So next one is this post submit actions. So go to this insert update post and hit edit. Here, so field map. Now we created a category, so you have to select this. It has to be post terms, and then it's gonna be category. So I don't have any custom taxonomy, so just hit, select the category and apply change and hit update. I've created the form with JetEngine legacy form because when I imported the preset, it just came with it. But of course, you can use JetFormBuilder, and because more features are added constantly to JetFormBuilder. So at the same time, JetEngine Form, the legacy version, Crocoblock just fixes the bugs, but they're not gonna add new features. So it is probably better to use JetFormBuilder. So on the left-hand side is JetFormBuilder standalone plugin. So let me walk you through quickly. Here's side by side. On the left-hand side is JetFormBuilder, and then on the right side is the legacy version of that. And here on the post ID, so the post ID here, so that's a hidden field. right? So the next one is featured image. So that's a media. So here is the same. So that's a media field. And then so I'm just using the same name, and the field label is thumbnail. Actually, I'm gonna just use the same name here, and then here. So that's the same. Any registered user, any registered user. So insert attachment. So checked, and use ID. So I'm just use same value here, and then here too the file type. So you can add, for example, if you want to add an image, so GIF file or GIF file, and you can do that, and you can hit update. Now, so next one is, let's see, and title here. Okay, so next one is title, post title here. So that's just the text field, and then I'm using the field label is post title and post title, and I'm using the same field name, and this is required, and here you can set the required here. And then so visibility is for all. So if you want to see that, I think it's under advanced, right? So next one is post content. Oh, okay, so I gotta just move this down here, so post content here, and then check this out. So this is what you see is what you get field, same one. So field name is same, and label is post content, and same here. Visibility is for all. Yeah, for the legacy version, actually you can check for the required. So now this one you can check for required actually. Hit this update, and next one is a category. So I'm using checkbox field, checkbox field, and then field name is category, and the label is category. This one is not required. So here, so you can use options terms, right? And then select categories. So basically it's the same thing here. And then for this, it's the same thing. So for all. So last one is submit button. Let's take a quick look. So here, so I'm using action button, and then label submit, and then here, so let's take a look at JetForm here. So those are post submit actions. So first one is insert and update post. It's kind of same here, insert, update post, right? And then here, so you're gonna map this out. So first you have to pick which post. I'm using post and publish, published, and post ID. So this is just adding new post, so you don't have to map anything. And then post thumbnail, it's going to be, oh here you go, thumbnail and title. It's okay, title, and that's content, and category should be post terms. All right. Oh, actually, this should be select two terms actually, and the category. And then here, category, it's gotta be the same. Actually, I gotta hit update, change to that, and then hit update. And this one too, hit update and update. All right. Now, next step is we have to change a template. So let's go to a template. So save template, and then add a post, edit with Elementor. And then here, so we use using so this edit form. So choose provider. So now you need to pick JetFormBuilder, and then new post. All right, so see new post JetFormBuilder, which is right here. And then so it looks identical. All right, and hit update. All right, so let's try if this works. All right, so let's go to the account page, and let's hit add a new post. All right, so it's here. So let's go back to, let's see, just want to make sure. Post and hit edit. Okay, so title and then post content. Okay, and the category is working, and then here is the media file. So that looks okay. Now let's go back to account page. So I think this is the page. So let's go to add a new post. And now you see this section here. Now, so let's go back here. So let's go to my post here. And then, so now, what if we're gonna edit? So again, so it doesn't really show this category, so you can't really add category. So once you post it, so that's not really good. So, but we can fix this. So now go back to, and then once again, go back to JetEngine and the forms. And what we have to edit is this edit post, right? So I'm going to just hit edit. And then we have to do the same thing. So we're gonna add a field and then move this up to below the content. And then do the same thing. So I'm gonna use a checkbox, and the field name is category, and the label, category. And then, so again, so I'm gonna uncheck that. And then this is gonna be terms. And then pick categories, and then so I'm gonna just leave it as it is and apply change here. And then here, so you see the preset form field for this edit post, and then here, so the category here, so mapping here, so I gotta change that to should it be post terms. Okay, so this is how it is, and then pick categories. All right. And then, so lastly, so you gotta probably do that here as well. Change that to terms, and then pick category and apply change, and also hit update. All right, so that should be good. And then let's just let's see if I can refresh. Okay, here we go. So I can just pick this one, maybe I can check those two and hit save. Okay, so consulting and software. So let's take a look. Go back to post. And I think this is the one. So I'm just check the edit button. So the category. Yeah, okay, consulting software, so it works. Okay, so I want to make one small change. So I'll go back to Profile Builder and the account page. So I'm gonna move this up top here. And the user settings, so edit post. Yeah, so edit post here. Again, so I said it's hidden from menu, so top, maybe hit the save. Okay, so refresh this page. Okay, so this is good. And again, so sorry, once again, so I hidden this edit post on the menu right here. It's not really necessary, right? So if you click this, go to editing section, so it doesn't need to be on the profile menu here. So I hope that makes sense to you. So once again, so let's say if I change this and then after hit save, and then hit successfully. All right, and then now also I want to double check here, so add a new post and then choose file. I think okay, so this picture here, and then post. I just want to double check here. And hit add a new post. Okay, so that's good. So that redirect to my account page. That I think that's what I set it up for. All right, so that's good. All right, so this is a quick overview of how to use Profile Builder, like importing preset content. I hope this helps, and I'll see you on next tutorial.